Hi there. Just hold on a second. Let me turn this down. Sorry about that. Okay, so making a quick video of the Sony DVP-FX810 portable DVD player. I have a DVD in there. It includes this adapter. You put this here and then this the other side into your aux cable in your vehicle so that you can use the vehicle's speakers. It has the car adapter and it has the AC adapter. Now this is a replacement. I had a Magnavox one and used that, so it doesn't go in all the way, but it works. It's charging. And really nice thing about this is that even closed you can hear it. I have a smaller one and I actually use it when I drive to go see my son in Texas. I hear movies, which kind of keeps you engaged. At least I've enjoyed it. So that's nice to know. I sound like an operator, right? So that's nice to know. Another really nice aspect of this one is that you can actually turn the screen. So this can be like on the center dash, and then the driver, the driver shouldn't be seeing movies, right? But the passenger can be looking at it. It doesn't, let me see. Nope, it doesn't go all the way back around, but sideways, forward, and then, okay, so only at that angle. Goes left and then back, so that you can do that as well. Okay, so let me bring it back around. Now it is used. It's got little scuffs and scratches here and there, but it works. And let's go ahead and press play. Is LCD mode, display, return menu, and we can just press play so that you can. Let me turn off the light. That might help. Yeah. Let me see the display and see if we can. Title, chapter, audio, subtitle. Okay, so what if I do time elapse? Oh, I paused it. Yeah, okay. I'll take it back to the beginning. Let's just press play and let's see the menu. Okay, I need the menu to come up so I can, because I know there's a way to do the brightness. No. Okay, so let me just stop it and then do the menu so we can menu. Come on, menu. Display. Down. Okay, down. Audio. Subtitle. Angle. T time. Oh. Running time, I guess. Repeat. Off. Time display. Let me completely turn this off so I can. I know that there is a menu that shows brightness. So LCD mode, backlight, contrast, maybe it's this one right here. Oh, LCD aspects, so it's like full or normal or regular. I guess if you're doing like widescreen. Backlight, contrast, hue, color, default. Okay, so it's one of these. Display now, return now. Where is it? Is it backlight? Oh, okay, well it's starting up again. We're going to do the song selection, see what happens there. Okay. Well, there's a volume is down here. As soon as she talks, I'm going to turn it down though. Sings. Yeah, because I don't want YouTube to turn it off because of song rights and stuff. So it's portable DVD player with 8-inch widescreen LCD. I press the menu button to see if it comes up. I guess you can find the manual online. I know that there is a way to, maybe it's on the side. I know that there's a way to adjust the screen display. Title, chapter, audio, subtitle. Okay. It's not allowing me to do that. Is it LCD mode? Okay, there. LCD aspect. Backlight. So what happens when I do that? Contrast? Oh, there it is. Hello. Okay, so there's the contrast. Backlight. There it is. Okay, so it is in the menu and it is contrast, hue, color, default. Let's see what happens when we do default. Okay, so there it is. You can adjust the lighting depending if you're watching this during the day or at nighttime. And alright, let me stop this before I lose my volume from YouTube. And so there it is. Excuse me. Good grief, that was a long way around a straight line, huh? Okay, like I said, it's got a little scratches, scuffs here and there. But, you know, overall it's in good condition and it's something really nice and handy to have for long trips. So it will be listed for sale. It will include 3 cords with DVD player, not the moving. I actually use it because there's some pretty nice songs in there. Linda Ronstadt. Ronstadt. Okay, so listen, I'm in Vegas and it's hot. It's a hot mother chicken today and tomorrow. So I just find myself swerving in my head. I'm not driving, but anyway, if you are so inclined, this will be for sale on eBay, likely Facebook Marketplace as well. And if you are so inclined, kindly press there. That's my grandma. I love her so much. She was an incredible woman, and she's watching over me now from heaven. So subscribe, like if you like, and it's up to you. Notifications. Thank you very much. Bye.